LS430. It's a 5-speed, this one, so it's a 2001. It's got the 3Z and it runs nicely. This is engine vacuum. So we're running around about 20 inches of vacuum. If you want to talk in inches of vacuum, 70 kPa. It's actually minus 70, but all right, next we've got a Celsior. So this is a 2004. Listen to it. Right, it's actually cold. We might just let it warm up so I can do a back-to-back comparison. Listen to it out the back. So using our ears, we know something's not right. Let's compare that vacuum once it's warm. Right, as it's warming up, let's bring the revs up a little bit. And you see it gets to 2,500 RPM. It's almost gone smooth. And by 3 it's actually pretty smooth. The triangle of death that I call it is for vehicle stability control. It's not actually related to engine. There's no engine check codes on this vehicle at all. Temp gauge is coming up. Right, we're up to temp. Let's go check that vacuum. So that is not ordinary vacuum. So really great tool to check on things like this and to test engines. And a lot of guys have forgotten how to use these sorts of things. You can also check fuel pressure, but only on carbureted ones. As you can see, it goes up to about 10 psi. But the same unit can be used for checking fuel pressure on carbureted vehicles. Right, keep an eye on this. We're going to do a series of videos on testing this car, and I'll show you a diagnostic process to make all your lives easier when fixing these cars.